G'day campers, Justin Wayward Aussie. I'm at our secret location testing out the new wall kit for the Peregrine 6 arm. What we've made different this time was we've made them out of a much lighter polyester fabric, but still included that legendary LST coating on the inside. So it now comes in a kit that has all the walls that you need, all the stakes, all the guy ropes, all in one big bag, all just like this. So you don't have to buy wall 1 or wall 2, it's all in one bag, it's super lightweight, easy to put up, and as you can see, there's an enormous amount of space under here. Fantastic for you and all the family to make a nice, quiet, comfy, cozy little environment to hang out in. Check it out online.